What is digital footprint? Digital and footprint, two different words, often used in different contexts and definitions in the English language. Digital basically refers to the electronic technology that generates, processes, and stores data. On the other hand, footprint basically means the impression left behind by a shoe or a foot on the ground or any other surface level. But whenever we put these two words, digital and footprint, together, the definition stands as the information about a particular person based on their online activities. Bear with me. Digital footprint basically means the data we leave behind whenever we are online. Digital footprint can be divided into two types: passive and active. Active digital footprint is our data being collected without our consent whenever we are online. On the other hand, an active digital footprint is we, the users, sharing our information or data deliberately through various social networking sites or websites on the internet. So let's move on to the process of digital footprint, how it works. Suppose a user is browsing a website, and during that process, his data like his approximate location, his IP address, or which pages he has logged onto or visited. These data are being collected for profiling that user. That's an active digital footprint. On the other hand, a user logging into or signing up to social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is an example of an active digital footprint. Emails sharing your emails or logging into websites with emails can also be considered as an active digital footprint. The matter of fact is, whenever we're online, we leave behind digital footprints, whether it is intentionally or unintentionally. And those footprints are being collected actively or passively by other interested parties. For instance, we log into Facebook, we see a post and we get offended. In rage and anger, we post a nasty comment. Thus, we leave behind a digital footprint. That comment can be screenshotted by someone else, that comment can be reposted somewhere else, your tweets can be retweeted somewhere else. Not only that, the photos and videos you post online, your search history, the text messages, even the deleted ones, the tagged photos, the photos you never wanted online, and your likes and other reactions on various social networking sites are your digital footprint. Another instance of digital footprints is cookies. Many websites will ask us to enable cookies or accept cookies whenever we're trying to enter it. Cookies are basically built into websites to personalize, track, and collect data from that particular user session. By that, it means whenever a person or user enables cookies from a website, it gives the website permission to collect data like which pages the user visited during that session, or which particular buttons that user has pressed during that session, many other things. So whether the user was aware of cookies or not, his data is being collected actively and passively. Thus, other interested parties can find his data by just using the search engine. Now a question can be raised whether digital footprint matters or not. It does actually. Whenever we are online, we are leaving behind digital footprints, and through that we are leaving behind information and data about ourselves. And it is really hard to remove those data from the internet, and in some instances, impossible. Our offline reputation is as important as our online reputation, or on the other way around, our online reputation is as important as our offline reputation. And our online reputation completely is based on the digital footprints that we leave behind. And in some cases, employers nowadays look through their future employees' digital footprints to make sure he's the right person for the job. Even in some countries, universities look through their potential students' digital footprints to make sure before they are accepted. So whether you're liking or not, digital footprint does have an impact in our life, and it does matter. In the end, in this modern age of ICT, we are living in. We are surrounded by internet and many other technologies. Our life is based on internet. To live a life in this modern age, we have to go to internet. And thus, by going to internet, we are leaving behind digital footprints. It is our job to be sensible about what kind of digital footprints we are leaving behind. The frightening fact is many people aren't even aware of how digital footprint works or what is digital footprints. So to mend that, we should be conscious about what kind of footprints we are leaving behind, and thus it will be a step towards digital citizenship.